The Honor X60 GT is a compelling smartphone that positions itself as a strong contender in the upper mid-range to entry flagship segment. It aims to deliver a premium experience without the ultra-premium price tag. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. Special features. Massive 6,300 mAh C/C battery with 80W charging and bypass charging. This is arguably the biggest highlight. The Qinghai Lake battery technology silicon carbon battery allows for a significantly larger capacity in a relatively thin and light design. Coupled with 80W fast charging and bypass charging, which is excellent for mobile gamers to reduce heat during play, it promises exceptional endurance and quick top-ups. 5000 nits peak brightness AMOLED display. While actual sustained brightness will be lower, this incredibly high peak brightness figure indicates phenomenal outdoor visibility and HDR content consumption. It's a leading figure in the smartphone market. Flagship-level cooling system. The inclusion of a large vapor chamber and 3D natural circulation cooling system points to Honor's efforts to maintain performance under load. Especially crucial for gaming with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. AI integration in macOS 9. Honor is integrating various AI features including smart photo editing, object removal, image expansion, style changes, and AI-based personal assistant and AI face swap during video calls. Pros. Exceptional battery life. The 6,300 mAh battery combined with 80W fast charging and efficient components promises multi-day usage for many and incredibly quick recharges. Strong performance. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, though a 2022 flagship chip, still delivers excellent performance for all tasks, including demanding games and multitasking. It's a proven and capable SoC. Stunning display. The 6.7-inch AMOLED with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR, and an astonishing 5000 nits peak brightness offers a premium visual experience. Effective cooling. The advanced cooling system helps in sustaining performance during heavy usage, which is a major plus for gamers. Solid build quality and design. Slim profile, 7.7mm and lightweight, 193G. Despite the huge battery with aluminosilicate glass protection and an IP65 rating for basic water and dust resistance. Latest Android OS ships with Android 15 and macOS 9, ensuring the latest software features and security updates. Stereo speakers enhances the multimedia experience. IR Blaster, a convenient feature for controlling home appliances. For cons. Limited camera versatility. While the 50MP main camera has OIS and should perform well, the inclusion of only a 2MP depth sensor and no dedicated ultrawide or telephoto lens means the camera system is less versatile compared to many competitors, especially in this price bracket. USB 2.0 Type-C. This is a notable drawback for a phone with these specs. Slower data transfer speeds compared to USB 3.0/3.1. No expandable storage. While 256 GB per 512 GB is ample for most, the lack of a microSD card slot can be a limitation for power users or those who prefer expandable storage. No 3.5mm headphone jack, a common omission in modern smartphones but still a con for users with wired headphones. No wireless charging, another feature often found in premium mid-range or flagship-level devices that is absent here. IP65 versus IP68/69. While IP65 is good, it's not as robust as the IP68 or IP69 ratings found on some higher-end or even competing mid-range phones, like the Realme GT7 Pro's IP69. Overall conclusion. The Honor X60 GT positions itself as a formidable battery beast, with a focus on delivering excellent core performance and a top-tier display experience at a competitive price. Its headline features the colossal 6,300 mAh battery with rapid 80W charging, the incredibly bright 5000 nit AMOLED screen, and the capable Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor make it highly attractive for users prioritizing endurance, smooth performance, and immersive visuals. The advanced cooling and bypass charging also make it appealing for gamers. However, Honor has made clear trade-offs, particularly in the camera department, where the secondary 2MP depth sensor limits versatility. The use of USB 2.0 and the absence of wireless charging or a 3.5mm jack also highlight areas where cost-cutting occurred. For whom is it best suited? The Honor X60 GT is an excellent choice for users who prioritize exceptional battery life and fast charging. Want a powerful phone for gaming and demanding applications without breaking the bank? Value a stunningly bright and fluid display. are willing to compromise on camera versatility, specifically a dedicated ultra-wide or telephoto lens and some premium features like wireless charging. It offers a compelling package, especially given its aggressive pricing in markets where it's available.